Hello student, we go over DD9 graph parabola. So now take a look over here. This this equation start with x, so that should be horizontal parabola, horizontal parabola. Okay, it starts with the x. Okay, so now let's write down the vertex form. Okay, vertex form, so we can identify the vertex. Okay, so x equal a y subtract k square and then plus h. Okay, so let's go and find it. So you see over here, the y, there's subtract nothing, so the k should be equal 0. All right, so h and k right here, so k should be equal 0. And then you don't see anything outside, so the h also equals 0. All right, so go over here, I got it. This is my vertex. And then I can see my parabola, the a equal negative 6, which is negative. So it should be open to the left. Okay, open to the left. So here we go. So all we need to find one more point, and that's it. One more point. Okay. So now let's do the t table over here. So start with y, and then x equal negative 6y squared. Okay. So the first point we already have is when y equals 0, x also equals 0. So this is a vertex. So the next one I should come out, I would do the y equal 1. Okay. So here we go. So y equal 1. Take a look over here, substitute it in, subtract 6. Alright, let's do this. Y equal 1 square. So it come out negative 6. Alright? So the next point should be negative 6 and then 1. Okay. So negative 6 and 1 should be right here. That's it. So now, when you take your tool, right here, you always aim at the vertex first. Okay, everybody take a look. And then the next point, you aim at the second point, and then you're already done. Voila. Is that really fast? Okay, that's it. So I submit, and I should be correct. Amazing. Okay, let's do one more. This parabola is open up or upside down, Adrian. This parabola is open up or upside down. I'm sorry, vertical or horizontal? It starts with the Y. Vertical parabola. Okay, parabola. Can you tell me the vertex form, please? Vertex form. Yes. Y equal a x subtract h square plus k. Okay. Can you identify the h and k for me, please? Yes, please. There's no x subtract nothing, so subtract nothing is the h. So the h equals 0. And then there's nothing outside, so the k should be also 0. Alright? So here's your parabola, the vertex. Okay. Now the a equal how much? The value a equal how much, Adrian? The a right in front of parenthesis. Negative a, which is negative. So your parabola you expect open up or open down?
Open down.
Okay, that's it. So now you need one more point. Okay, so let's get the t table over here. Okay, this is the x value and y equal negative a x squared. You already got the first point when x equals 0. When you substitute x equals 0, y equals 0. So that's the vertex. So what is the next value of x should you find? The vertex you start at 0 for the x. So the next one you should find x equal 1. Alright, next to it. Okay. So x equal 1. Substitute it in. You come out negative a, and then 1 is the x square. You come out negative a. Which means you have the point 1 negative a. Alright? So 1 negative a is right here. Take a look right there, you guys. This is 1, negative A. Okay? So you can see your parabola open down, open down. Okay? So first you start at the vertex, then you connect to the second point, and then voila, you're done. Alright? Submit. Resume. Oh no. Okay. So this parabola should be horizontal because it starts with the x. Okay. So horizontal parabola. Parabola. Okay. So here's the vertex form. Vertex form should start with x equal a, y subtract k square, and then plus h. Okay, so now take a look and find the k. You see right here, this is negative 4, is that right? So the vertex h and k. So the k should take opposite, so it should be number 4. Do not take negative 4. And the h outside, you don't see anything, so that should be 0. Okay? So now let's go forward and find that point. 0, 4 is right here. Okay. So we expect horizontal, but take a look at the A. The A equal negative 7. So it should be open left. Left. Okay. So left over here. Okay. So now I got my calculator over here. I put down my equation. Subtract 7. Y. Subtract 4. Alright, and then square. Okay, I can copy this. Alright, so now take a look over here. Take a look over here. So the y would start at 4, is that right? The y right here at 4, is that right? So if you want to find the next y, I should use the y equal 5. Okay, so here we go. Let's do a t-table over here. This is y, this is x, equal negative 7, y subtract 4 square. So earlier when you put y equals 0, then x equal, y equal 4, x equals 0. So the next value of y, I should pick around number 4. So how about number 5? Okay, so now go to your calculator over here. I put down number 5. Voila, it come out negative 7 right away. Okay, so negative 7 should be the next point. So here negative 7. Okay, so negative 7, where's that? Negative 7 right there, and then the y equal 5 right there. Okay, so that's it. So now I go and get my tool. So get my tool, start at the vertex, and then the next point is right there. Done. Okay, so it should be horizontal, open to the left. The starting point is a vertex. Okay. Ooh. Be careful a little bit, you guys. If you click, it will take half point. So I want to make sure it's correct. Okay. Vertex. Ooh, half point. So let me move this one over here. All right. So now I'm correct. That's it. Submit. I should be correct. Voila. All right. So this parabola is start with the x. So it should be horizontal. It starts with the x. So it's horizontal. Horizontal parabola. Parabola. Okay. Here we go. So now I write the vertex form. So I can identify the vertex. Okay. So it starts with x equal a, y subtract k square, and then plus h. Okay. The coordinate you can do half. So 7 over 2, you can totally can do it. All right. So let's do here the vertex h and k. H and k. All right. So let's go and find the k first. K, make sure you take opposite. Okay. So take it here. You got this one negative 7 over 2. So the k should be 7 over 2 positive. All right. And then the h is outside. The h outside, that's number 4. Okay. So you can identify it 4 7 over 2 dot 3.5. 4 3.5 is right there. Okay, so it's right there, halfway. Okay, so now we can find the next point. So let's do the t-table over here. First, another one is the A equal 3 positive, so you expect it's open to the right, okay? So it's open to the right, somewhere over here, okay? So now, let's do a little t-table right here. So this is y, this is x, okay? So 7 over 2 right here, and you come out the h, the x equal 4. So this is the vertex. Okay. So now I get my calculator on the side over here. Okay. I put in my equation. 3 open parenthesis y subtract 7 over 2 close parenthesis, and then power 2, and then plus 4. Okay. So I copy this. Control C, I go to the next one, I do Control V. Okay, so now, so remember when you wrap this, it had to be, the point had to be halfway or exact points, all right? Give it moments, Jamie. So, y is 7 over 2, all right? So how about I choose 5 over 2, okay? So now, so let's try 5 over 2 and see what happened. Okay, so right here, I put y equal 5 over 2. I'm sorry, 7 over 2, so the next one should be 9 over 2. 9 over 2. 9 over 2. Ooh, perfect. You see that? It come out the exact point. Okay, so here we go. The next point I choose is 9 over 2. So when I substitute it come out 7. Okay, 9 over 2. 9 over 2, which is 4.5. So x come out 7. 7 is right here. 7, 4.5 is right here. Okay, that's it. So I got my point. So I go and get my my cursor over here. Okay, that's the point. 4 for x, 3.5 for y, right there. Okay. Now 7 for x, and 4.5 for y. All right, that's it, you guys. Click on it. Done. You see that? So they take half point. Okay. So I submit. I should be correct. Voila. So the next problem is, it starts with y. So this should be vertical parabola. Okay, it starts with y. So this is a vertical parabola. And you can see it's already in the vertex form. So let's write down the vertex form so you can see the h and k. Okay? So y equal a x subtract h square plus k. Okay? So let's find the vertex h and k. H and k. Alright, so let's do this. So the h, make sure you take opposite. So you see number 3 over here? I take opposite, so it should be negative 3. And k, you take what it is. So take the same. So k equal number 3. Okay. So negative 3, 3 right here. This is my parabola. Okay. And then you can see the a equal negative 4. Negative 4, which is negative. So it should be open down. Down. Okay. So we need one more point and then we're done. Okay. So I would set up a t-table over here. Okay, this is x, this is y. So y equal negative 4 x plus 3 square plus 3. Okay, so what you already know, when x equal negative 3, when you substitute x equal negative 3, you come out y equal positive 3. Okay. So the next value, negative 3 is right here. The next value, next to negative 3 should be negative 2. All right? One unit bigger than negative 3 had to be negative 2. Everybody pay attention. So now I substitute it in. So negative 4, negative 2 plus 3 square, and then plus 3. Okay? So this should come out at negative 1. Okay? That's it, negative 1. So negative 2, negative 1. So that's right there. So that's it. I got my tool. I go to the vertex first, and I go to the second point, and I'm done. That's it. I'm done, you guys. Submit. Voila. Okay. Let's do. Ooh, that's the highest level already. Okay. Can we see something more complicated? I think that's it. All right. Thank you, you guys.